have already seen properties of triangle. That is, angle opposite to equal sides of the triangle are equal and the side opposite to equal angles are equal. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on that. So the first question is, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, two sides of the isosceles triangle will be equal. The bisector of angle B and angle C, it intersect at O and you have to join A to O. We need to show OB equal to OC. OB equal to OC, that is the first question, and AO bisects angle A. So these two things we need to prove. So we are mainly going to use the property angle opposite equal sides of the triangle are equal or the side opposite to equal angles are equal. So in triangle ABC, already they have given AB equal to AC. So I can write angle ABC is equal to angle ACB because angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So I have used that property, angle opposite to equal sides of the triangle are equal. Now multiply half on both sides. Half of angle ABC is equal to half of angle ACB. And we know that half of angle ABC is nothing but angle OBC. Already they have given the bisector. Bisector means divides into two equal parts. OB is the bisector of angle B and OC is the bisector of angle C. So a half of angle ABC is angle OBC equal to angle OCB. Again, if these two angles are equal, then we can say that side opposite to equal angles are equal. So we are going to use that property OB is equal to OC because the side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Hence we have proved the first one, OB equal to OC. Now the second part, to prove AO bisects angle A, I am going to take the triangle OAB and triangle OAC. OAB, this triangle, and OAC. Again, we are going to use, they have given AB equal to AC. So, angle opposite to equal sides will be equal. I can write ABC is equal to angle ACB. So, half of angle ABC will be equal to half of angle ACB. Half of angle ABC, this time I can write as ABO because I want from this part of the triangle ABO is equal to ACO. So we got one angle and one side are equal. So first we got AB equal to AC, that is given. Now we have used the bisector property. So we got ABO equal to angle ACO. So this angle and this angle are equal. Now again, just now we have proved OB equal to OC. So we can see now side, angle, side. Same way for this triangle, side, angle, side. So I can say that triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OAC by SAS congruence rule. Side, angle, side congruence rule. And finally we can say that angle OAB is equal to angle OAC because corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. AO bisects angle A means we need to prove OAB is equal to OAC. So finally we have proved that this means AO bisects angle A. bisects means this divide into two equal parts. So we have proved now angle OAB equal to angle OAC. So to prove this, we have taken two triangles and we have proved these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule, and finally we wrote OAB equal to angle OAC by corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now the second question, in triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. We need to show that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. So we need to prove that AB equal to AC. So AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC means I can write angle ADB equal to angle ADC equal to 90 degree. Also I can write that BD will be equal to DC because it is the perpendicular bisector. So this angle and this angle will be equal and equal to 90 degree, and BD will be equal to DC. Now we need to prove AB equal to AC. So for that we will consider in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So ADB equal to ADC, already we got both are equal. Again BD equal to DC, but because the AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC, so these two things we got. Now one more parameter we needed. AD is common for both the triangles. AD is common for both the triangles. These two things are given in the question itself. So that is the data. Now we got three parameters, one side, angle, again side. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule. Side, angle, side. You can see side, again angle, side. SAS congruence rule. These two triangles are congruent. So finally I can write AB equal to AC because it is the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. Now the next question, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are the altitude, that means these angles will be 90 degree, are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. So they have given AC equal to AB, already this is given to us, and we need to prove that their altitudes are equal. That means we need to prove BE equal to CF. This is the thing we need to prove. So for that we will consider two triangles. We can see so many triangles, but we will consider the triangles in which all these will be there. AC should be there, again BE and CF should be there. So I am going to consider the triangle in triangle ABE and triangle AFC. ABE and AFC, I am going to consider these two triangles. So from this, AB is equal to AC, that is already they have given. Again we can write angle AEB equal to AEB means this side, AEB equal to angle AFC, that is equal to 90 degree because it is perpendicular AFC. So we have taken the triangle, first triangle we have taken is ABE, this triangle ABE, A is here, BE, and the second triangle we have taken is AFC, that is AFC, AF and then C. So we can see that angle A is common for both the triangles. So by which congruence rule can we say that these two triangles are congruent? We can say that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle AFC by two angles. We can see one angle, two angles and one side. So by AAS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. AAS congruence rule, these triangles are congruent. Finally, we can write BE equal to CF, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Therefore, we have proved that their altitudes are equal. Next question. ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF of two sides AC and AB are equal. Show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is just the opposite of the previous problem. We need to show ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means we need to prove AB equal to AC. So to prove that AB equal to AC, and here they have given the altitudes are equal. BE equal to CF they have given. So again we will take two triangles, triangle ABE and triangle ACF. Like previous case, we take these two triangles. Now since it is they have given this altitude, we can write AEB, angle AEB equal to angle AFC equal to 90 degree. So AEB, this angle, and AFC, this angle, these two angles are 90 degree we can write. For this two triangles, angle A is equal to angle A, or you can write angle A is common for both of these triangles. Again, now we are going to write BE equal to CF, because already it is given the altitudes are equal. So two angles and one side is equal. Therefore, I can write AB is congruent to triangle ACF by AAS congruence rule. These two triangles are congruent. Therefore, I can write AB equal to AC as corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Since these two sides are equal, we can easily prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Since two sides are equal, we can say that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So both the problems we have proved by AAS congruence rule. So thank you for watching my video.